Hi, I'm Doug Marchant and thanks for watching. What we have here is the 3-pack Arrowhead necklaces, handmade, retailing for $15, but on sale for $9.99. These contemporary Arrowhead necklaces are all handmade in India from agate and jasper agate, which is over 1,000 years old. Each pack of necklaces comes with 3 1 3/4 inch Arrowhead pendants on a 21-inch black leather necklace. And the colors may vary. The reason being, this stuff is very unique. This isn't something that's just stamped out in a factory. These are handmade, and it's made from a material that comes from Earth. So it's going to be something that is, every single one of these things is going to be unique. You're getting your very own unique Arrowhead, handmade Arrowhead at that, every time you get one of these. And they are attached to a leather band, so you just get an idea of how beautiful and how much of a unique item each one of these things is. And I want to put one on. So you can see it looks very nice, and it's pretty comfortable. It fits pretty well, and it's pretty easy to get on. You just hook it right on there. So again, it's a great piece. I encourage you guys, check it out.